Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we would be revisiting the Super Sukhoi upgrade program of Indian Air Force Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter jet. We will also see what we can expect from this particular upgrade. To begin with, let us introduce the fighter for those who would be interested to hear it again. The Sukhoi Su-30 MKI is one of the most advanced fighters in service with the Indian Air Force, and it forms the backbone of the same. The Su-30 MKI is a highly integrated, twin-finned aircraft with its airframe fully constructed with titanium and high-strength aluminum alloys. In other words, the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI is an all-weather multi-role fighter aircraft capable of undertaking varied air defense, ground attack, and maritime missions. These fighters have the capability to strike at targets from sea and land and with pinpoint accuracy during day and night time. As of now, Indian Air Force currently operates 270 plus Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter jets, and they have always given more importance to this particular fleet due to its vital role in the service. Many enhancements, tests, and integration has been done to this particular fighter jet, and we all know about the same. In order to give more lethal capability to strike targets at grounds at distances, the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter aircraft were equipped with the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, and the squadron was inducted at Thanjavur Air Base. At the Thanjavur Air Base, the Indian Air Force deployed 222 Squadron, which is also known as the Tiger Sharks, comprising of 6 Sukhoi Su-30 MKI specially modified fighter jets, each carrying the 2.5-ton air-launched version of supersonic BrahMos cruise missiles. The squadron has been deployed due to China's growing presence in the Indian Ocean region and also due to the currently going the border dispute between them. The BrahMos is a medium-range ramjet supersonic cruise missile that can be launched from submarine, ships, aircraft, or land. It is the fastest supersonic cruise missile in the world, which is a joint venture between Russia and India Defense Research and Development Organization, who together have formed the BrahMos Aerospace. The good thing is that the integration of BrahMos missiles with Sukhoi Su-30 MK fighter jet has been done fully indigenously. The integration of the air-launched version of the BrahMos missile with the Su-30 MK fighter was done fully indigenously by BrahMos Aerospace, HAL, and the Indian Air Force. It's not just the BrahMos missile. The test fire of Astra Beyond Visual Range air-to-air missile was also conducted using the Sukhoi Su-30 MK fighter jets, and this was jointly tested by the Indian Air Force and DRDO. Seeing all the above details and the role of this particular superior fighter jet in Indian Air Force, we would obviously know that any Air Force would be interested to extend its contribution in the fleet. India has been looking to upgrade their Sukhoi Su-30 MK fighter fleet under the Super Sukhoi upgrade program to keep them modernized for next 20 years. On the Indian front, the Super Sukhoi upgrade has been talked about for a while now, but there seems to be a sense of urgency within the Indian Air Force, the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and the Russian government has been working on this particular upgrade program. Under this upgrade program, the Indian Air Force Sukhoi Su-30 MKI will be upgraded to Su-35 plus standards, which will be far superior to the Su-35 currently being operated by the Russian forces. To name few changes which would be included are the new widescreen 7 liquid crystal multifunction displays, which will be along with the new heads-up display. Russia has also offered the Zhuk AE AESA radar. The currently used turbofan engines might be replaced with Saturn AL31FP afterburning turbofan engines with the 5th generation capabilities. In addition, the upgrade will improve the airframe with 6,000 flying hours, same as Su-35. The fly-by-wire, the modern digital weapons control system, as well as more advanced anti-jamming features, the Israeli-made lightning targeting pod are other enhancements which will be given to Sukhoi Su-30 MKI during this particular upgrade. As there are many more operators of Sukhoi Su-30 MKI aircrafts worldwide like Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia and Algeria, India is also very keen to approach these countries to see if they would be able to accept India's proposal to help them upgrading their fighters too. As part of this plan, India is ready to help these countries to help in setting up the maintenance, the repair and overall facility in their own place. Even China operates this type of aircraft, but as usual they have already reverse engineered it as Shenyang J-11 fighter aircraft. Due to border dispute between India and China, both these countries would never be working together on these type of upgrade programs. So if Indian Air Force Sukhoi Su-30 MK upgrades are done as per the plan, this mighty fighter jets will become one of the top deadly machines in the world and in the Asian skies. So let us hope the Super Sukhoi program is taken forward by Indian Air Force and the relevant team. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.